Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 80. I have no wish to impose my views upon the ambassador, or to embarrass him by asking for impossible improvements, but it is important I should impress upon him the Chancellor's opinion in the case of those lumber vessels. Full stop. You will see how imperative it is I should see the ambassador, if we are to have any improvement in our relations just now. Full stop. I desire to discover whether the Whaler's story is true, or the idle tale of a willful impostor. Full stop. I shall occupy only a quarter of an hour, and I am sure the ambassador will agree the importance of the case is well worth the time.